Hello guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is your friend, your girl and your Lady G. Today matter when we want talk, the topic when we want talk today, it gets a little bit complicated or we get as it be. So no be say na gist na be this o, na true life story wetin happen to person na I wan tell una. So wetin make I wan tell una, the person when this thing happen to na him give me permission say make I share this thing so that other people go still hear, make dem still give am their own advice wetin she go do. Although she tell me make I share the story, but she say she no want make I show her face. So wetin make me wan really share this story, wetin make am she really insist for me to share this story be say maybe as people dey lis ten to this story, so they still get one thing or the other, one advice or one opinion or the other when they go still give her, when she go still take lesson from inside, still take do something. Because this woman when this thing happen to, so as at now as I dey talk to you, she dey in state of confusion, though no be for here for happen, na for house na for happen. So she know say I dey do this show, so she come say she go like make I present this her own matter to see whether she go get one or two advice or something wey go still take from people advice, so that she go know wetin she go do. So na like this the matter take go. So this woman in question, when he get this story, so I no wan mention her name because she no want, for privacy sake, she say make I share the story. She just wan hear people opinion and the advice when they go give am. So at the end of this story, abeg make you no forget to leave your own comment o, and make you no forget to give your own opinion, so that she go fit still see one or two things when she go fit still pick for inside, still take console herself for the situation when she dey now. And another thing again, I wan beg una, abeg when una don lis ten to this matter finish, abeg no forget to subscribe to this my channel. You go see the red button when e say subscribe. If you just click am, anytime when I get new video, you go dey get alert, and you go still see one small bell when e still dey near am, dem dey call am notification bell. When you just still click that bell, anytime when I get new video, you no go dey miss any part of am. Abeg make una subscribe o, you know say without una I no go fit move forward. Thank you. So na so the matter take go. This lady in question, she be married woman, she don marry, she get husband and they get 3 children together, though they no dey get along well like that, in the sense that how they no take dey get along, in the sense that the man dey very harsh. The man dey harsh, e dey harsh like tatashe. Una know wetin be tatashe? Na pepper, the way dey hot. The man dey harsh. In short, anytime when the man dey come house, e go be like say a common soldier dey come house, so everybody go arrange. Na so the woman take tell me the story, na so she take tell me the matter. So wetin make dem no dey get along? The man dey too harsh and e get too much authority, so dem dey always dey get kwata most of the time. And apart from that one, this man na the kind man wey be say because of that authority wey he get, he dey comot for house anytime when he like, come back when he like. Sometimes he go comot 3 days, sometimes he comot 2 days. He no go even tell him wife where he dey go. Him wife dare not ask am. You know that they see some men like that. All men are not the same. So he go come back home anytime when he like. So this particular day now, he come still comot. As he comot, 1 day pass, 2 day pass. The woman no worry because him fit say na normal thing, the way he dey do am before. 3 days pass, the woman no still too worry. When the 4th day come reach, na she come be like say she dey worry small. But he no fit still call the man, because if he call the man, sometimes when the man go out, he go answer am in a harsh way, whether he na your boy, you no get right to ask am where he dey when he dey come back house. So with that, to avoid that problem, na she no come call. And if the man normally he go stay some days for outside like this, if he come house, when the woman ask am say where he go since all those days when he no come house, fight go burst, he go dey beat the woman, he go dey do the woman somehow, you know say some men dey when e be like that. No be all men o, some men still dey when dem dey real caring and loving husband, loving father. God go bless all those men when dem be like that. God go give una the grace to reap wetin una sow. So this man in particular, now after 4 days na when this man no come house, this woman come dey worried. So now he come dey think say whether may he still get patience, maybe the man go come, or he come dey think say maybe the man don ex ten d, he don upgrade now, he don ex ten d the outing. So she come still dey hope. Then after that 4 days, now 5 days, the man they no hear from the man. So now she come really dey worry. Now she come call the family of the man, that is get whether na the senior sister or I don't know, somebody from the man family. She come call am, he come say he never see una brother for some days and he no know how far, where he go for more than 5 days now, he no hear from am. Then that relation of this man come ask her say he no tell you where he dey go. Now the woman come to say no, he no tell me where he dey go. Normally he no dey tell me where he dey go. So this man sister, be whether na his senior sister or so, he no believe wetin this woman tell am. He tell am say e dey impossible say your husband go comot for many days like this, he no go tell you where he dey go. They no believe the woman. So apart from that side aside, after this 5 days, now the 6th day, her number come ring. That is her phone come ring. That is the wife. Now this woman when talk this her story, so her number come ring. So she come see say na strange number when she no know, because she register her husband name. She no pick, she no know be the person when he call her. No, all the things when dey happen for Nigeria now, so everybody dey careful, not be everybody dey careful, know the way they dey do the things. So she no pick. Then after 30 minutes, her phone come ring again, but this time around it come be her husband number. So with that confidence and that wait when you don dey wait for am for some days now, she come quickly pick. In short, the phone no ring reach ground before she quickly pick am. But as she come pick the phone, no be her husband voice, no be she hear. She come hear some kind another strange voice tell am say na you be so person wife. This man when he get this number now, he dey with us for here. Dem be all those strong people when dey kele people. I no wan just put mouth to make sure una don understand. Those people when they're strong, when they kele people for Nigeria, when they go kele person, then they go come say make you come bring so amount before they go release you. Now they talk, say for this our channel now, not be everything the way job be, not be so you go just stay dey pull mouth say they talk am, because they get their policy here. So he come say na we strong people when he dey kele person, so we don kele your husband, he dey with us right now as you dey talk. So na so amount na they want make una come bring before they go release am. The woman come dey shout. Before she even say make she respond, they don cut the line for her head. So she come dey worried. How you go do this matter? Dem no be family when e be say, no be say hungry won't kill them, but dem no be family when e be say that dey okay like that, when they go fit get that amount, the kind amount when they ask them, where she won't see am, who she won't tell. So she come dey worried now. Then she come call this sister, senior sister again. This man senior sister, when she first call, she come call am again, say see gbege when he dey for ground o, see the people when he call o, see wetin dem talk, see where dem say una brother dey. He no know how they go do this one, and see something when they tell am say dem want in return before they go release your brother. So after 2 hours again, the phone still ring. make una no laugh o, the something e dey complicated somehow, and e still dey funny for another place, because when the woman dey tell me e dey funny, but I no fit laugh, because the situation when she dey that time now no be laugh matter, e no dey funny to her. So person dey pray make e no dey bad situation, so you no go, some things dey when be say no be the way other people look am, no be so you go look am. So after 2 hours again, these people come still call. So the people when he first talk, the voice come different this time around. He say abeg, na dem kele your husband, dem kele your husband, but another people come kele dem too. That is all these herdsmen when he dey for Naija, those Fulani herdsmen, they come kele the people when he kele this man. Hey, double problem, double wahala. That is dem kele this man, then Fulani herdsmen come kele two of them together as dem dey carry this man dey go joint. Una no see the matter, e get as e be. That's why I tell una say this matter e dey delicate somehow, e get as e be. So they come kele two of them. So the people when he come call this woman again, this 2 hours time after the first ones they don't first call, he come say the thing when they call her now, say abeg, they don't get anybody when they go talk to now. Na you na be everything now. Make them try come release them, and that her husband comot for those herdsmen hand. Then when they don't come out, they go settle them. This woman first dey say he no know how he go fit take meet up for the condition wey dem give am for him husband. Now the people wey kele husband dey say na your hand everything dey now, so na you we dey look up to. Na you go come release us and your husband together from all these herdsmen hand. Una no see the matter get as e be. Now the woman e no know wetin she go talk. She come dey short of words. She no know wetin she go do. So these people na time to time then they call. This sometimes after those one don call finish, the herdsmen themselves then still dey call. Na dem give those people wey kele husband number make dem take call this woman, so that the woman go e go pick, e go think say, e go see say na him husband number. You see, you go kele person, then people wey strong pass you come kele you and the person wey you go kele. Na that one they call power pass power. Power pass power. This one no be joking matter, my dear. This one na true life story. So as we dey talk now, the two of them dey for that joint when they for hide them for the hideout. I don't know as I go take call am. When they put all of them dey there, both the one wey kele person, the person wey dey kele the Fulani headmen, keep all of them for there. They demand so amount before they go release them. So this woman now, this one no be to rally round, because wetin dey ask her, e pass her hand. She call the family of the man, e pass them. So I don't know wetin they wan do. So at first the thing come dey bother the woman. Small time the woman e come say as things come be now, he no know whether make him relax, make him even just forget about the man. If dem leave am, dem leave am. If dem no leave am, that one na her and na the man luck. Because no be saying with the man fair to dey get along, no be say the man fair too good to am, na good husband. So he no, for right now he no know wetin he go do. That's why he say he wan share this story, make he see una advice, make he see whether na get any advice or anything una go still tell am, when he go still pick sense from, when he go take know the next step to take. I really feel sad for her when she dey tell me this story. So na that one be the topic of today, when I say I wan share with una. Abeg, if una get una own advice and opinion wey be say una wan add join this something, or when this woman go use, because right now she dey really confused, abeg make you share your comment below in the comment box. And again, make una no forget to subscribe to my channel. Until I meet you some other time, bye bye, and thanks for taking your time to watch my video. Bye.